Hello everyone, so today this is the devlog number 2 of Shared Science, and we've made a lot of progress today. I'm very excited to show you all. So first, a quick demo. So now we have a Google login that actually works. So I'll connect with my name here. I don't have anything, I don't have any clusters available, but here we can see that it logged me in and it created a user in the database. If we go in the database, we can go into the user tab and we can see here that I was able to log in. So now I can generate an API key. This will be useful when I want to connect my server to Shared Science. So bear with me with the UI for now, but we can generate an API key. We know it's the right one. It starts with SS for Shared Science, so we're going to copy that. So for now, I don't have the full setup just yet, so I'll do it with Postman. But we have a route that you probably cannot see, but it's a /cluster/connect. And this will allow us to connect our cluster to Shared Science. So here, this is all done locally, but when we connect, this did multiple things. So if we go back to PyCharm here, this did multiple things. So it created a cluster. It also created the SSH keys for us to connect. And it did a validation to be sure that the cluster belonged to me. So we see now I have read access on this. The name of the cluster is Practical Vulkan. And this is the host, local host. It's a LT, and type is not used. So now, when we connected to this, and just to be transparent here, like we store the hash key in the database, this is how we do our verification. But when we go back to the main page, now we can see our cluster here. So Practical Vulkan, it's online, and if we want to reach it, we would only need to do a /cluster/Practical Vulkan and then whatever you want. So in our case, it won't work probably tomorrow. So yeah, so a lot of progress today. Very happy about this. If you have any question about this project, ask in the comment below or hit me up on my GitHub account at Dref360. All right, thank you and see you next time.